Humans are born learners. Learning for us happens through the neurological functions of input, organization, memory, and output. These functions work together to facilitate two modes of understanding the outside world and our relationship to it: deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning helps us formulate predictions about the outside world based on our memory of the past. Inductive reasoning helps us confirm or deny whether our predictions are correct with our senses. What's crucial is to know that learning requires a certain order of operations neurologically, deductive first, then inductive after. To understand why this is the case, we first must understand a strange reality about the nature of our existence. Our conscious experience is created not by perception. It happens before perception, as a kind of prediction based on our experience of the past. And then perception confirms or negates that expectation. Does that mean our conscious reality is just a product of our imagination? That our experience of the world is just an educated guess? Actually, yes, and it's a product of evolution. To survive and avoid danger, it's more efficient to predict the future than react to the present. So learning and survival really boils down to becoming a better and better guesser. To do so, every healthy brain relies on the following capacities, what we call their inner savants. And while great scientists, explorers, leaders, thinkers, and doers throughout history have tended to display special talents in at least one of these areas, they use all of them to learn in the following way. Your perception and memory combine to give you the function of a visionary, to reimagine the world by integrating conscious and unconscious memories of what you perceive. Your brain then uses its memory and analytical faculties like an accountant to rationalize its idea of reality against what has proved important in the past. These memories are organized into new frameworks of observation and understanding and communicated to parts of our brain controlling autonomic and motor function, motivating us to see the world in a new light, as persuasive giants have done throughout history. As we act, our confrontation with the outside world is directed by our neurological capacity as a pioneer, incorporating our analytical, innovative, and organizational faculties to engage with new information and experiences while making sure we stay alive. Then we detect subtleties in our perception in a way that lends to our comprehensive understanding of the new knowledge or interpretive framework we've encountered, a function great scientists and researchers continue to serve today. Finally, our brain uses its perceptual and organizational capacities to integrate this new learning with our prior knowledge, as great community builders, leaders, and social organizers have in times past. Whether we're talking about an individual, a family, a team, community, nation, or the entire human race, our happiness and prosperity rely on our ability to capitalize on this authentic learning process to push forward the collective learning for us all.